I think this past winter, we got a lot of people interested in weather and climate because they hear conflicting things about how the Earth system works. And a lot of people who are not climate scientists talk very loudly about their perception that if it's cold where they live, then they don't believe that the global temperature is increasing. In this case, NOAA knew that we were in an El Nino phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation, and that leads to more precipitation in the East Coast and cooler temperatures on the East Coast of the United States, for example. So knowing the historic behavior of Earth's climate and weather system, scientists can estimate general behaviors of upcoming weather conditions, and then using observed characteristics of the ocean, can also model some of the ranges of responses you'd expect to see in the ocean several months later, because the ocean has a longer lag time. It has a strong influence over how much water evaporates and goes into the atmosphere, and that atmospheric circulation also influences the temperature and weather we experience a month later. When we have observed both an El Nino and a negative phase of the North Atlantic Oscillation in the same year, we tend to get pretty much the same climatic patterns we observed this year. So in that respect, what we observed this year was not unusual in the climate record. It's unusual in terms of weather patterns we experience in our lifetimes, because those patterns take many years to repeat. The images you're looking at are global mosaics, which means that they are images stitched together from different views of Earth from satellites. And the satellites are about 40,000 kilometers away from the planet, so they're far enough back that they get a whole hemisphere view. The clouds appear white because clouds are cold, and so the measurement being taken is actually temperature. You're looking at a variety of different kinds of satellite data. The green and brown and blue that make up the ocean and land are all from a different set of satellite products that capture the conditions of the surface. Part of my job is really to help people step away from their perspective in a particular place at a particular time and try to see the whole Earth system over longer periods of time, because that's what you have to do in order to understand the climate system as it changes. We're the first people in the history of human civilization to grapple with understanding the planet. And the stakes are high. It is important that we do deal with those problems, but also step back and just enjoy the beauty of it. It really is an incredible system that we can watch as it works. And we're a big part of it.